Hi there, I wanted to share a video of something new I am trying. Pretty excited. Hopefully it's pretty easy. It looks like it's gonna be, but who knows. So I'm gonna show you step by step how I'm gonna do this and what I'm into and what I'm talking about. Yeah, it's pink. I mean, it comes in other colors too, but if I'm gonna pick a color, it's gonna be pink, and it's not my nails, but I can get you those too. Anyway, all right, so what I'm into and what I'm so excited to try. This has to do with, I would say, health and wellness. And, not like a diet or anything crazy like that, because I actually don't believe in those things. But I have been looking for something to help me just kind of bump up my health and, eat better and all of that. I don't know about you, but fly just flew by. I don't know about you, but myself and I know many of my friends during the pandemic, we just kind of lost track of everything, right? At first, it was like, we don't know if we're coming out of this alive. And then it was support your local restaurants. And then it was like, oh, nobody can see me, so I'm just going to wear sweatpants and I'm just going to get all this extra weight on me and so forth. So, I have been looking for something. A few months ago, I did a veggie cleanse, and that was great. It was great results, but I'm not somebody who's looking to go, vegan or vegetarian or anything like that. But I did like how my body felt when I was consuming more fruits and veggies. Now, the problem with that is there's a lot of prep work, and I ended up wasting a whole lot of fruits and veggies because I would buy in with the best of intentions, and then, things would just get complicated. And even if all I needed to do was pull stuff out of the freezer and throw it in my blender to make a smoothie, I just wouldn't get to it. So that has been on the back of my mind for months. And recently I saw a friend post about something really cool, and I was like, ooh, what is this? And the more I looked into it, the more I was like, okay, I think this might be a great solution for what I'm trying to do, which again is just adding more, fresh fruits and veggies to my diet and my food consumption. So just got back from vacation, and I figured this would be the perfect time, and I had a big box waiting for me with all of these goodies to try. So what I'm talking about is a portable blender. Okay, first of all, it is delicious looking, it is beautiful, and not only is it a portable blender, because I've seen some of those, different brands that carry those and so forth, but this system right here works with pods that have basically like the freeze-dried fruits and veggies, and all you need to do is charge it with a USB cable that comes with it, and then you can take it on the go. You just add your water, you put the pod, and you push a button, and it's done, which to me is so exciting. And I'm really hoping that this is going to help me kind of get my life back on track, because some I do work from home, okay, but and I've spent I don't know, over $100 buying the Blendtec attachment, like the small cup with the blender thing, but I can't really take that anywhere unless I make it at home. I can't take the big blender box with me, right? And the problem with that is, say on a weekend, I'm gonna go run errands, and what happens? I get hungry 2 hours into it, and the only option I have is to run through a drive-through and get something that's not good for me, but it's convenient, right? Because if I take a smoothie, and I put it in my car, 2 hours later, it's gonna be nasty and warm and. So this right here, I think it's gonna be great because I can just take this baby with me, take the pod, and just when I'm ready to consume it, put the water in, push the button, there we go. All right, so I'm gonna show you, I did get a few different flavors of blends, but I am gonna try the tropical. I'm actually gonna have this with my dinner. Because again, I'm not trying to go on a crazy diet or anything like that, but I am looking for a way to add more, fruits and veggies to my food consumption. So I picked the tropical, and this one right here, thought I saw it. Here we go. It has organic, and I believe everything is organic. That's what I'm seeing so far. Organic passion fruit, which is one of my favorite fruits because it's tropical like me. Hello, tropical. Orange and mango and banana. So I think this is going to be delicious. There are some, that have greens, and there's some plant-based protein, and I'm going to be trying all the flavors and sharing all about it, but I'll stop blabbing and I will show you. Okay, so this is the actual blender. Excuse you, how beautiful is this? This is so hot. When I saw it came in pink, I was like, I don't even care what it is. I need it. I need a hot pink thing in my life. So yes, this is the color they sent me. So excited. And this is the lid here. It's the actual blender blades are in there. And this is the button. I did charge it for a little bit just to make sure that it's gonna work. Once it's fully charged, I believe you can get 15, cycles, 15 blends out of it. It has the capacity, has two different fill lines. You can do, what is it, 7 ounces or 12 ounces. I'm gonna do the 12 ounces because, I'm thirsty. So anyway, in this box, you get 4 of the pods, and they come in these packets, like 2 to each. And here it just says what it is. Tropical, nothing but organic fruits, smoothie blend. I've seen some people mix it with, almond milk or coconut milk. I'm just gonna do mine with water because I really wanna get a sense for the flavor. Now this one does have a bit of sugar. The sugar content is gonna vary depending on the blend that you're picking, but it has all the nutritional info right here. And yeah, we'll see. We'll see if I'm doing this right. I've seen that you have to peel this first paper layer. So let's see if I'll do this properly. So you have to peel this one top layer. Okay. So you have to peel the other thing. Okay, you have to peel this whole thing. Hey, now I got it. And there's like a little bit of powder that came out there. And I don't want to like spill it, but it has a slit down the middle. You can see it there. So there's a little bit of powder that came out of there. And I do have my water here. I'm gonna fill it to the 12 ounce because like I said, I'm gonna have this with my dinner just as like a juice or something. And then, when I try the protein ones, they'll probably be like in the morning. Okay, so I filled it to the 12 ounce. Let's see how I do. Let's see how I do. And then all you're supposed to do, so you have it here. I can't show you the water because it'll fall out. You flip this thing and you put it in here. It just kind of stops there. And then you're supposed to put the lid on and click it. It takes 30 seconds to blend. And let's see if it moves. It moves just a tiny bit, but nothing crazy. It's not trying to walk off the counter like my normal blender would do. So we're just gonna wait until it's done blending, and then we're gonna taste it. In the meantime, you can pose, you can do whatever. All right, it's done. Hopefully that was enough time for your photo shoot. And now I'm just gonna open this, and then the pot is empty. Just gotta get it out of there. I'm just gonna toss it in the sink so I don't make a mess. Okay, ooh, this looks yummy. It looks like frothy and delicious. So I'm gonna pour some in a glass so you can see the color, and then we're gonna taste it. I think next time I might try it with cold water. This was just room temperature water, but I didn't want to wait any longer. Okay, so, and I got my little Vejo glass, and I am going to taste this. Okay, this is definitely tropical. It tastes, very like fruity and fresh, and yeah, as if I had taken my fruits out of the fridge or, my countertop and chopped them up and all that, and I didn't have to do any of that. And when you're done, like this still has stuff in it because I did the 12 ounces. You can just, rinse this off. There's like a little cleaning thing for it. And the pod just goes in the trash. It is compostable. So, you're not creating a huge mess. And again, the best thing is I don't have to chop anything. I don't have to peel anything. I don't have to open my freezer. I don't have to deal with my blender that likes to walk away from the counter. So in my eyes, so far this is a win. Let me know if you want more info, if you want to see me try all the other flavors. Hold on. Had to get another sip because that was good. If you want to get any more info, this company has been around for a bit, but what's new about it is they are just getting into social selling now. We are doing a pilot program right now. I can't say that right. A pilot program with just, a handful of people, well, not a handful, more than a handful, but, just a few people. And we were selected for this pilot program. And, we're going to help shape this and make sure that everything is working for everyone on the social selling end and give feedback and all of that good stuff. And, there are people from different states. I just checked, and I am the only person in the state of Kansas. that is part of this program. So if you guys want to do this with me, if you think this is something interesting that fits into your lifestyle, if you're looking for more information, you want to try the product, if you're like, hey, I like this whole social selling thing, I want to have a link, I want to share, I want to get paid, when I recommend something and whatnot, let me know and I will happily share some information with you. What else? I'm gonna go have my dinner now. I will keep you posted when I try the other ones, and if you have any questions, let me know, okay? Bye.